Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best garden forks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Spear & Jackson 4000 552 BF Traditional Stainless Border Fork, Multicolored. The ergonomic design of this stainless steel garden fork from Spear & Jackson makes it ideal as a border garden fork. Its stainless steel tines that are slightly curved and wooden handle are surprisingly light, making it easy to maneuver between plants or even for use as a potato fork. The hardwood handle is already treated for added longevity. Balance is fantastic. Finish is fantastic, commented one buyer. It is a heavy work of art. Heavy because it's a solid stainless fork, not a cheap imitation/hollow thing. Pay attention to the dimensions and notice its height. Perfect for border work. This SNG border fork is worth every expensive penny. Stainless solid, hickory handle, solid. Balance is fantastic. Finish is fantastic. It is a heavy work of art. Heavy because it's a solid stainless fork, not a cheap imitation/hollow thing. Number 2. Spear & Jackson 5000 510 DOF Traditional Stainless 42 Long-Handled Weed Fork Silver. For larger, more difficult weeds or borders, we suggest using this stainless steel head weeding fork from Spear & Jackson. The long handle keeps hands safely away from thorny weeds, and the thick tines and narrow width make it easy to get in between already established plants without hurting their roots. What's more, the stainless steel tines can tackle weeds growing in the toughest soil. This is a sturdy and solid trowel that is good looking to boot, reported one shopper. The stainless steel has fared well in my garden's hard clay and rocky soil. I tend to abuse my tools and wrench and pry entrenched stones and roots. The blade is stout, and the weld seems secure. Number 1. Gurden Tools Digging Fork, Steel Shaft, Super Heavy Duty 4-Tine Spading Fork. Virtually unbreakable garden fork, 40-inch length, G59A. 4-tine digging fork. The 4-tine digging fork for general-purpose digging and breaking tough ground. Forged from hardened and tempered high-carbon steel to ensure maximum strength and toughness. This tool is suitable for heavy-duty commercial and industrial use, for example on dairy farms or the ranch. Features an anti-corrosive black forkhead. Virtue aka loosen, lift and turn garden materials with this durable, rugged garden fork. This is a professional quality tool made for a lifetime of use. This tool will not break or bend, not even during heavy-duty projects or while working in difficult soil. This is a great tool for cultivating all types of soil and for the preparation of flower beds before planting seeds.